Comparison between density and relative density. This we have the table of density and the relative density. First, it is the ratio of the mass to the volume of the substance, while RD is the ratio of the density of the material to the density of the water at 4 degrees Celsius. Unit of density is kilogram per meter cube, and this is RD is unitless. Dimensions, the density have the dimensions m1 L-3 T0, while this is now dimensionless. Density can be determined by measuring the mass and the volume of the substance. RD can be determined using the RD bottle, hydrostatic weighing and the hydrometer and other methods also. Density can be calculated by the product of the RD, relative density, and the density of the water at 4 degrees Celsius, as I have told you earlier also. Now this relative density cannot be measured only by knowing the density of the substance. Now this density does not enable us whether the given substance will float or sink in the water, while relative density directly gives us the information that the substance will float or sink in the water. Density is affected by the humidity, while the relative density is not affected by the humidity. The density provides the composition and the properties of the material, while the relative density does not provide any kind of information about the composition and the physical properties of the material. So this is the comparison between the density and the relative density. So both the terms are very different from each other. Thank you very much.